Fancy a dip in the ocean with this ultra cool sea waves cake? You literally have to see it to believe it. It's so cool. Start with some grey fondant icing and roll it into a fat sausage shape. Form the ends to a slight point. This is going to make the main body of our dolphin. Cut a slice in one end, that's going to make the tail. Just separate those out, squish them down a bit. And a slice for the mouth. Just moulding that like so. Brilliant! Paint on a little water to the underside and stick on a thin layer of white fondant icing, and that's for the belly. How about a fondant eye too? Let's use some black fondant icing for that. Great, put that aside and get your plain vanilla cake. We're going to fill it with light blue buttercream icing, keeping in the theme of sea. So we're using blue, coating the entire outside of our cake. 2 lovely thick layers of vanilla sponge cake there. Smoothing it over. Now using a food piping bag with a serrated edge nozzle, you can use a darker blue buttercream icing on the bottom and a lighter blue buttercream icing on the top to create your waves. Even lighter at the very top, so we're doing a kind of faded effect here. Swirly patterns to look like the ocean waves. And using a wooden stick, you can just pop in your fondant dolphins, as many as you like. How about a tail and some blue sprinkles? Look at that. A work of art, I say. Too good to eat, don't you think? Oh, okay then. Just one slice. If you want to show your love of the ocean through a cake, then this shell cake is the perfect design for you. It looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, all you need is some silicone molds. Use fondant icing to create your decorations. These are going to be stuck on the cake at the end. Do you know what's really great for this as well? Play-Doh molds, or even those molds that you get with that kid's kinetic sand. Of course, you'll have to make sure it's clean before you use it for food. But look, you get fantastic shell shapes. Now get your blue coloured cake and add on some buttercream icing. Just pipe it on there. Layer it with a vanilla cake which has not been coloured. And then once again with the blue cake. You could do it all blue if you want, or just keep it simple and plain vanilla, even chocolate. But the main thing is the outside, we are going to coat it in blue buttercream icing, creating our ocean effect. Smooth it over. Unless you want it to look like waves, that is. Ready to get creative. Bring out the artist in you by creating the effect of sand by using crushed biscuits. Digestive biscuits are really great for this. Put it all around the bottom and cover half of the top with it as well. Now stick on your fondant seashells. If you don't really fancy using fondant icing, you could also use melted white chocolate coloured with different food colourings to create your shells. Just pour in the melted chocolate to the mould and then let it set. So we're creating a kind of line from the bottom to the top, going all the way along the fake sand edge. There! Now it's time to add on your pearl sprinkles. We're using tweezers to carefully place each individual pearl. Look at that work of art. Brilliant! And there you have it, a gorgeous shell cake. Almost too good to eat. I said almost. Perfect for a themed birthday party or even a summer event. Amazing! Want a little taste of heaven? Dive right into this fantastic cake decorating hack. This is an underwater sea cake. Right, let's start with some decorations, shall we? We're going to make a cookie sandwich using pink buttercream icing and a pearl sprinkle. And there you have an oyster. Right, now we get our cake. We're using vanilla cake and we are going to layer it with blue buttercream icing, sticking with our sea cake theme. In fact, let's cover the entire cake in blue buttercream icing. How about half this blue and half a lighter blue? Nice. Okay, time to smooth it over. Ready to decorate. We're going to sprinkle some crushed biscuits on top, which looks like, yep, you guessed it, sand. And around the edge. Digestives are pretty good for this effect. Sticking on some chocolate decorations. These are really easy to make. You just melt some white chocolate, add some food colouring of your choice, stick it in a food piping bag, and then pipe your shape. Some fondant decorations too. So this cake will really bring out the artist in you. A little bit of seaweed using green buttercream icing. And there you have it. What shall we do next? Yes, let's pipe on some purple and yellow buttercream icing. It looks kind of like seashells. Stick on a bit more chocolate coral. And how about your cookie decorations? Looking lovely. Little more buttercream, perhaps? Perfect. Have loads of fun with this one. This will really bring out the artist in you. And there you have it. A gorgeous underwater sea cake. It's so delicious, you have to see it to believe it.